Permutation with repetition of things. What we are discussing about? The permutation with repetition of things. Before that, we will go with one recall. The recalling thing is, previously we have seen the type 1. What is there in type 1 in previous class? Permutation of taking r things at a time given n dissimilar things. R things at a time given n dissimilar things. In this type 2, we are seeing permutation with repetition of things. Repetition. So repetition means what? We have been given n dissimilar things. We have been given n dissimilar things taken r at a time. Taken r at a time. And repetition is allowed. Okay. See, for example, we are giving 5 dissimilar things. We are taking 4 things at a time. Among 5, we are taking 4 things at a time, which means this like 4 box will allot. In this, the first box will have how many chances? 5 chances. All the 5, anyone can be used here. Second box has same 5 chances because repetition is allowed. Previously we don't have the repetition, but here when they say repetition is allowed, second box also has 5 chances. Then here third box also has 5. Fourth box also has 5 chances. So total number of chances by the fundamental counting principle. Product of everything, right? So that is 5 power 4 things. So this 5 is n dissimilar things taken r at a time. Here we took 4 at a time. So the general formula we can say, if n dissimilar things are given taken r at a time, then repetition is allowed. The total number of permutation is n power r. See, 5 power 4, there n power r. Okay, this is the idea. Also, in this, you take your book, page number 62. Read the definition. The number of permutation of n dissimilar things. Underline that word, n dissimilar things. Also underline the word taken r at a time. Underline repetition. Underline allowed. Because by the time of revision it would be helpful for you. Okay. Also the formula is n power r. Box the formula. And there is one note below that. When repetition of things is allowed any number of times in the formation of permutation of n things taken r at a time, the number r need not to be less than or equal to the number n. You got that note? Because previously we said that this r should be less than or equal to n, like we said previously. But this doesn't require this requirement. Okay. So need not to be less than. Okay. That's the difference between the type 1 and type 2. Okay. Now shall we go to the question? No. See the first question. When repetition is allowed, which are divisible by 3. Okay. So now here they say repetition is allowed. So repetition is allowed means we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many numbers? 6 numbers. And we are taking a 4-digit number. 4-digit number. This first 3 number we can choose in any ways. Okay. So this has 6 chances. This has 6 chances. This has 6 chances. But while filling the last box, that number should be divisible by 3. How many numbers are divisible by 3 in this given group? 3 and 6. So only that 2 number can be chosen here, either 3 or 6. That is the idea. Okay. So the total number of ways it is 6 power 3 into 2. When you multiply this, you will get a big number. 6 cube is how much? 216. 4, 2, 4, then 216 into 2. 432. This is the answer. See question number 2. What is there in next question? Read it. In how many ways 5 letter 4 post boxes? So 5 letters, we have 4 post boxes. 1, 2, 3. Either all the 5 letters can be posted in one box. Is it or not? So this has 5 chance. Yes man, if you post anywhere, it will go to the destination. Repetition is allowed, right? So first box, all the post box, all the letter also you can do maximum number of chances. This also 5. That also has 5 chances. This also has 5 chances. So total number of ways 4 letters can be posted in 5 post boxes. Is that 4 letters? 4 post boxes, 5 letters. Okay. 5 power 4, man. 5 letters taken 4 at a time. Okay, next, third question. Okay, the number of ways in which 5 different prices given away to 8 boys, when each boy is eligible for only one prize, which means from this 8 boys we can select any 5. Any 5 can get the 5. Is that repetition is allowed here? Because they themselves gave in the question that at least each boy is eligible for only one prize. So the number of ways of this prize can be distributed is 8p5. Okay. Clear? How it is 8? Because 5 places. This one has 8 chances. Among 8, anyone can give. Since they say only one boy should receive only one prize, here repetition is not allowed. So 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. So this one is what? 8p5. Option A. Okay. Next question number 3. The number of 4-digit number can be formed using 2, 4, 5, 6, 8 if at least one digit is repeated. If at least one digit is repeated. See, at least means repetition is allowed, but what we calculated here and all means here it may be repeated or may not be repeated. Focus here. It may be repeated, may not be repeated. In this, may not be repeated also inside when the repetition is allowed. So, as per the requirement of this question, they gave at least one letter is repeated. Sorry, at least one digit is repeated. Okay. So, we have been given these digits 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. In this, when repetition is allowed, how many things we can say? 5-digit number. So, repetition is allowed. Here 5, here 5, here 5, here 5. 4-digit number, right? No. So, 5 power 4 total. In this 5 power 4, no repetition also inside. May be repeated or may not be repeated. So, that no repeated alone, we should subtract from this. So, when repetition is not allowed, how many ways we can frame this 4-digit number? 5P4. Yes, 5432. 5P4. Clear? Any doubts on this? Option A. Yes. Since it is more than one correct answer, we have to verify the other options also will come or not. Option D will come, 505. When you simplify this, you will get 505. So, option D also will come. Next question. The number of quadratic expression with the coefficients drawn from the set. What is that set? 0, 1, 2, 3. That's all. Is lambda. First of all, what is quadratic expression? The definition of quadratic expression, if you really know well, means ax square plus bx plus c is the definition of the quadratic expression. In that, there is one condition also come. What condition? A not equal to 0. So, we are going to allot A, B, C from the set. Okay. A takes value except 0. So, except 0, how many values are there? So, A has 3 chances. Okay. And B can be 0. Man, B can be also 0 isn't. So, any 4 can come. See, repetition is allowed. But in the question, they didn't mention the repetition is allowed. Okay. It is hidden in the question. You are framing a quadratic expression. From this means, either we can take all the things as 1. Okay. So, that repetition is to be understood. Clear? So, B has all the 4. Anything can come as B. Except A only has the restriction. 0 should not come. Then C also, any 4 can come. So, it is 3 into 4 square. Okay. As per the question, the number of quadratic expression can be formed using the elements of the sets is lambda. So, this one is lambda. And they are asking in the question, it is lambda by 8, how much? What is lambda by 8? 3 into 4 into 4 by 8. Then here 2. Answer is 6. Okay. Any doubts in this? Okay. That is all. Shall we move on to next topic? Okay. Copy it. Mark it in your book.